Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for London Euston, so let's begin. London Euston is the London terminus of the West Coast Main Line, the UK's busiest intercity railway. It's served by Avanti West Coast, London North Western Railway, London Under and Overground and the Caledonian Sleeper. The station is owned and managed by Network Rail. It's also the London terminus of the new High Speed 2, which will go into a new lower level section. High Speed 2 will basically work the same routes as the Pendolinos, but the Pendolinos will always be my first choice because they're my favourite train. The station has 16 platforms, and in 2019/2020 the station was used by 44.777 million people. Thank you very much for listening to this episode of Facts with Boom, and remember to stay alert.